The D91 online conference is just around the corner on Saturday and Sunday, the 1st and 2nd of May. And I hope, like we in the conference team, you're getting excited about all the great content we have on the program. Today with me, I have got 3 of the MCs who are going to be fronting some of the stages of the weekend. We have Andy, Kavita, and Janet. Let's hear from them about what they're most excited about. Andy, let's start with you.
Hi, Sonia. Well, I'm really excited at the growing stage. I'm going to be your host for the Saturday, and the whole point of the stage is to be a better leader. It's to understand how you tick better and to be a stronger person in the world of business. We're going to be talking about things like elevator pitches. We're going to be talking about LinkedIn. And it's really going to get people motivated and people ready for their next step in whatever they're doing in their career. I cannot wait, and I'm so looking forward to our program on Saturday. Sonia, back to you.
Cool, thank you. I'm excited about that. Kavita, what about you? What stage are you at?
Thank you, Sonia. So I'm on the inspiration stage. So I have 3 questions for the audiences out there. Do they want to be inspired? Do they want to light that inner fire of theirs? And do they want to walk away full of optimism? Then I would say to you, please visit us on the 1st of May on the inspiration stage, and you'll meet 7 speakers who are forward-thinking creators. Thank you, Sonia.
Fantastic, Kavita. So we had Grow from Andy, Inspire, oh, that inspiration from Kavita. What about you, Janet?
Well, thank you, Sonia. I'm really thrilled to be part of the D91 Spring Conference. I am hosting the Growing Stage on Sunday, taking over from Andy on the Saturday. And the Growing Stage on Sunday is certainly going to live up to its name and the expectations placed on it. We have a superb lineup of speakers, and I can guarantee you will come away having learned some very useful and practical ways to speed up your growth and success, whether that's in your Toastmasters community or your career and business. Now, a theme which runs through the morning and our workshop is ways to help you grow from ordinary to extraordinary. We really do have a superb lineup of speakers, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you, Sonia.
Thank you, Janet. That is fantastic. I'm so excited about all these 3 stages, and I hope those listening to us here also are excited, and maybe you already have your ticket. If not, rush and get your ticket. We look forward to seeing you on Saturday the 1st and Sunday the 2nd of May. Till then.